Welcome to DLM Campervans. Today we have a blue metallic 2020 Transit Connect with a brand new Mini-T conversion, solar, over-the-air antenna, max air fan, shore power cord and plug, the hitch. Inside you find a refrigerator, sink, microwave, cabinet with LED lighting. Here's the couch that folds into the 43 by 72 inch bed. Vinyl flooring, TV, DVD player, house batteries, 2000 watt inverter. This vehicle also has the mid overhead console. Besides the max air fan, there are 4 windows that can go down, and you can put screens on for lots of ventilation. It comes with a foldable portable toilet. Front privacy curtain, also WeatherTech sunshades. This vehicle has just under 4,000 miles on it. Check out all the details at www.dlm-distribution.com. This vehicle also has rear sensors, blind spot indicator, navigation, and cloth seats. 651-285-7089. Happy camping!